unopposed. Wonder Joyce. And the race is on. Golden Money from the outside, moving up is Siklag. Rushing up nice and easy, Boss Doding. Moving up from the outside is Wonder Joyce. Coquette down on the inside, and Unopposed is running at the tail of the field. Golden Money by about 3 lengths, followed by Siklag. And on the outside of favorite, nice and easy, Wonder Joyce, racing in fourth by the rally's Coquette, Boss Doding, Unopposed. And rounding the far turn, Golden Money by about 2 lengths, Siklag, nice and easy, is racing in third, and Wonder Joyce running in fourth by the rally. As they race the last 500, Golden Money along shot by about 3 lengths, Siklag, Wonder Joyce running by the rally, nice and easy. As they race the last 250, Golden Money still leading by about 3 lengths, followed by Wonder Joyce in second. And nearing the finish line, Golden Money by about 2 lengths, Wonder Joyce on the outside. But still Golden Money, Wonder Joyce on the outside, but it's too late. And finally, Golden Money, Wonder Joyce, nice and easy, Unopposed, Coquette, Siklag, Boss Doding.
756-2.